Okay, so I'm going to turn the unit on. It made a beep and it sounds like it's trying to work. There's like a gentle hum. It's very faint and hard to hear though. I think it eventually does something. I might have to chop this video down just for you to be able to hear the noise it tries to make. Or I'll just send two separate videos of when it sounds like the compressor tries to kick in and it just shuts off. As you can tell, there's no air coming out, no sound. This is the mode I turned it on at, so I can try to change this to a different one. Let's see. This is the fan only. On auto, nothing's coming out. I put it on low just now. Again, no air, no sound. It just sort of, it clearly turns on, but nothing happens. So I'm pretty sure an air conditioner is supposed to do something at some point. Yeah, I'll keep filming. I'll probably chop this down for you because it's hot in August. So this is great. I'll try to cycle through the modes here for you. Let's try cool. See, here it is. So this is what it'll do. There's no air coming out, but it's making a noise. That's the noise. Again, no air is coming out yet. And it'll do this for probably, I don't know, 30 seconds. Again, there's nothing coming out of the air conditioner. There is no air coming out. You can tell by this thing not moving a lick. There's no air. And this is all it does. It'll make this noise. No air coming out. I don't even feel air coming through it. The back gets hot, and that's about it. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna send you this video. This thing's over 4 minutes long. So it's still making the noise, no air coming in or out. If it's supposed to run like this for 3 minutes before shooting out cold air, I'd be surprised. No air coming out. It's the most still string you'll see in your life. So the noise just stopped. And now it's done. Mission accomplished. So that's it. It'll make that noise. No air comes in or out. It turns on and it gets warm, but no air is cycling through it.